Y'all see where we at, YouTube? We're out the country. We're in Mexico, Cancun, Mexico. We're at Dreams Vista Resort and Spa, Golf Resort and Spa, and we're gonna show y'all this room tour. Room 1622. Use a card key to get in, by the way.
Hola.
Hey.
¿Cómo estás? Welcome to our Dreams Vista and Golf Presidential
room.
As you see behind me, we have a lovely wood mirror, a log mirror. Coming to your right, my left.
As soon as you come through the door.
And here we have our two marble sinks. See if it works. Yep.
All right, good water pressure there. Okay.
So we got extra washcloths, toothpaste, Colgate, all this good stuff, sewing kit,
body lotion,
hand soap. Oh, we got a water bottle, glasses,
big full-length mirror.
Incense. But they even have a little stool for you to sit down and do your makeup and stuff.
Oh, okay.
So this is nice. And we got extra towels down there.
Okay, I didn't even notice all that down there.
Yeah. And then this one is the actual restroom. We go in here.
It's pretty big for okay. Got the toilet in there sectioned off. That's good.
Residential.
Got it all sectioned off, okay.
And then we have our huge shower. I probably this is the biggest shower we probably ever had at a resort.
On a room tour? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this might be the biggest of a room tour. Let me close this door here.
This is like literally the biggest ever.
That's where she at and I'm way over here, man. Got the rainfall shower head.
Got the laundry thing. I don't know where you go.
I don't know where it go. Oh, it go over here, across right
here. So right here. Okay.
Okay, to hang your wet clothes, okay.
Yeah, hopefully that goes back.
Shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and the pull-out shower head.
Yep.
I love them rainfalls. And a nice little bench to sit in. And a privacy area, so if you still want to kind of see out through this glass right here, you can.
Yeah.
And you still blocked out. That's nice. This is huge.
It truly is. I like it. And then
coming out of here.
We're gonna go out, go in. Okay. We have a lovely full-size body mirror right here. Love this mirror.
It's a glare right there.
And then we have the wardrobe closet, which has extra blankets, a safe, steamer, that scale that we don't step on.
Step on it.
Umbrella, suitcase thingy, slippers, robe, and a laundry bag. Oh, these are nice, these little satin.
That is nice. That's a full-size little closet too.
Yeah, it's big. And then coming into the room,
step this way.
Area, we have another mirror. Like, it's crazy. I love this.
Yeah, it is a nice, huge, full-size mirror, that boy.
Yes. So we have our Classico tequila, 100% agave, I guess.
Compliments of the hotel, of course. The resort.
Pringles, ice bucket, some Nespresso, pods, I guess.
Yep. Everything you need for some coffee.
Extra drawers and stuff. And this is the mini fridge.
Okay, they got a stock little mini fridge. They always put M&Ms in the fridge.
I'm surprised the
some beers in there, Sprite, Coke, apple juice, waters, all of that good stuff.
They have extra glasses, a little wooden trash can, and this is our bag that comes with the room. So these are our beach towels.
Okay.
And this bag is complimentary, so you get to take this home.
Oh, okay.
Yes, this is really nice. I like this area. Like if I want to do some work, see right here.
Nice long sitting area.
A nice little view that y'all gonna see later.
How many drawers they got? Okay, 3 pull-out drawers. Oh, this one deep. Okay. Okay, good little amount of storage then.
Yeah. Now we're entering our bedroom / living room area. And as you can see, we have our lovely bed here with our telefona. And we have our reading light, I guess is what you would call this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
So yeah, you can want to read, don't want to disturb your partner. We have
USB charging ports as well. Look like plug your phone up right there. USB. Okay.
what is this for?
Probably for the ceiling fan. Some of that stuff is for the ceiling fan. Some of this stuff control the light. Oh, hold on now. You can adjust how dim you want the light. That's fire from the switch right here. Okay.
White light or yellow light?
And then you got the fan speeds right here. Yeah, that's all the way up.
Full blast.
Oh, okay. Let me turn it back down. Okay, I didn't know you can do that. That's nice.
Oh, they got a
That's the
light
backlight back here.
bed.
The backlights above the bed. That's nice. You got lights that's coming on back here. Is it lights back here? Look at these backlights.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so nice at night.
Yeah. All right. So this
So-
is like a king size bed.
King size bed. Yep. Got the tablet.
Then over here we have our lovely tablet. Android people. So here you can look at everything for the day. You can look at the dining, see what is open for the day. You can also do room service. You can do the spa. So it's everything on here that you need for the hotel in general. You can ask for extra towels, etc.
Right.
So next we have our lovely TV. As you can see, Ry&Britt Takeover is on the TV. And it comes with complimentary champagne. And we'll be popping this later on, guys. With some apples and glasses. And this is probably my favorite part of the room. The little living room area.
Nice and cozy. And y'all want to see something real cool? You actually can change. You can control the TV from your phone. So you scan the app and it lets you use your phone as the remote control. You can change the volume, change the channels, all of that. Right now it's loading, but yeah, that is nice.
Yep.
Nice feature.
And then this is probably my first favorite part of this room. This lovely walking space with our own balcony. So as you guys can see, all of this is our balcony from this end all the way to this end. So we're gonna take y'all outside and show y'all the view. Sliding doors.
Yep. Step out that way first. Look at that scenery. Nice.
Sit there and eat breakfast, lunch, dinner.
And then look at the views over here of the city. Ooh, that's nice.
Nice.
Golf area, that is nice. We'll continue around this way.
This is our other part of the balcony.
Oh, it's windy. Ocean view. See the pool down here. Long pool. Look, this is not an infinity pool, is it? Something like, I don't know, it's long though. It's the whole length, pretty much. That is nice. And this view, crazy golf course out here. Beautiful view. The swamp area, but you got a little swamp over there. City view, this is just nice, man. The views out here, I love it, boy. And look how big. That's huge.
What?
That's huge, boy.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Big old tub.
Yeah, that is nice.
Love it.
This is lovely, man. Views are just amazing. That's what I was talking about with the remote, how you can change the channel. You can adjust the volume on the TV. As you can see, the volume goes up. You can change the channels, all of that, man. This whole thing is nice. Home button, go to Netflix, turn the TV off, fast forward, rewind, the whole nine. All from your phone. All from your phone, man.
If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a fat thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and again, we're at Dream